recorded because I just tried to move the recently recorded Animoji unboxing into my OTG drive again, because previously I always try to add new footage, especially when it's related with the dashcam footage or the one that was recorded on the place that I want to post on personal productivity things. I try to place it on my half terabyte ultra fit cruiser ultra fit, which is very small because I used to have the quarter terabyte previously, but I currently didn't know where did I try to put those things. So yeah, it's not that long unboxing as well, but yeah, more than a single package or around less than 10 minutes, because when I try to record the newer unboxing like this, I always try to do it one package for a single video, especially when I try to record it on the smaller unboxing desk than my main desk, which already pretty small perhaps. So yeah, I think that's all.